And anxiety is not fun, guys. When you have panic attacks and you wake up freaking out, it's not fun. And as you can see, it's a hot mess. But yeah, that's all I did. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia, back at it again with another video. So today, guys, I wanted to do a no makeup tutorial. These days during quarantine, when I don't have anywhere to go, I've been doing a no makeup look, which makes you look presentable but doesn't have your face too caked up. So I wanted to do a chit chat, get ready with me for that look. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Your girl would really appreciate that. And yeah, so we'll get right into it. So the first thing is obviously skincare. I already did my skincare in the morning, but when I'm doing a no makeup look, I like to do at least a moisturizer and a serum right before, just so my skin is looking A1 steak sauce, you know. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face by using the Pond's Cold Cream Moisturizer. A little bit on my face. This makes your face really oily, so if you have oily skin already, I wouldn't recommend it. Oh wow, guys, like, there is a crazy storm going on right now, and literally the lights of my house turn off and on like 3 times today. It's crazy. But yeah, that feels good. Right before the video, I actually shaved my face, and I used these eyebrow razors to like shave my face a little bit. I don't recommend this if you already did laser hair removal. I never did laser hair removal, which is why I'm doing this. I do plan to do it in the future, but right now this is just a temporary thing that I'm doing. But it makes the surface of your skin very smooth and easy to apply makeup. I would recommend getting these eyebrow razors in bulk from Amazon or the drugstore. They're very affordable. So next I'm going to use my Dr. Wellness Vitamin C Brightening Skin Perfecting Vitamin C Serum, and this is just to brighten up my face a little bit, add a little bit more moisture. Also, it smells really good, not gonna lie. Okay. Alright, so I'm not going to apply any foundation for this look. I am going to, however, apply a little bit of concealer just to brighten up the eyes and sort of lift your face. So the concealer that I'm using is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. And I'm only going to put a little bit on just so it makes me look a little bit more awake than I actually am. So I'm just going to apply some right here and also right here, so it sort of lifts up your face. So inner corner and outer corner. Now I'm just going to carefully blend that out. And I'm sort of going to just like blend that into my cheeks as well. Whatever excess concealer you have, I just like to blend it out a little bit so it matches my whole face. Okay, and now I feel like my face is a lot brighter, a lot healthier looking. I feel like I look more awake than I actually am, and that was literally with just a little bit of concealer. And the trick is to really just drag out the excess concealer onto your whole face, just so it creates a more even look. Guys, I'm so stressed, if you can't tell, but I'm just so stressed about life right now. About life, my future. I'm just stressed and I'm freaking out. I literally had a panic attack this morning. And anxiety is not fun, guys. When you have panic attacks and you wake up freaking out, it's not fun because you just want to go to sleep and pretend like real life is not happening. But you gotta wake up to the realities, and I'm stressed about a lot. But hopefully God has a plan for me because He always does. Okay guys, now I'm just taking my ABH eyebrow pencil. I'm taking the side with the spoolie and just brushing my eyebrows up. And my eyebrows are a hot mess. As you can see, they're a hot mess. I haven't tweezed them in a while, but that's fine because we're in quarantine and we don't got time to tweeze. I'm just gonna brush them up like that. Okay. And then I'm just gonna clean them up like that. I've been doing this since I was like 12 years old. I don't know why, it just really lifts your face and it lifts your eyebrows. So again, just take this spoolie, lift all your eyebrow hairs up. Like that. And as you can see, it's a hot mess, but then you're just gonna clean it up like that. Okay, and I don't know, I just feel like that trick really lifts your brows and it makes you look more awake. So now I'm just gonna take a really light brow tint. Usually I go hard with the brow pencils and I really go all out with my brows, but since this is a no makeup look, I'm just gonna take a light brow tint. This is the Milani Brow Tint pen. This is the Milani Brow Tint pen in number 2 dark brown. And I'm just gonna fill in like the loose spaces in my eyebrows and just like make it look a little bit more presentable, you know. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this spoolie again and just fix it up as much as I possibly can. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit before I smudge the brow tints. That's basically what I do for my brows when I don't want to look like I am wearing a lot of makeup. Okay, for my lashes, guys, I don't wear any mascara. And if you know me, you know that I don't like wearing mascara on a daily basis just because I honestly am lazy and I hate taking it off. I love wearing lashes, but sometimes I'm just sick of wearing mascara. So obviously I'm not going to be wearing mascara for my no makeup look. I'm going to be just curling my lashes, and honestly curling your lashes goes a long way. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Oh my god, I'm starving, guys. I don't know what to make for dinner today. I was going to make ramen, but that takes a long time, so I don't even know. But I'm so hungry. I can hear my stomach growling. The trees are going crazy outside. Like, what the hell is going on in 2020? Freaking hurricanes, pandemics, civil wars. Like, what the fuck? I was not ready for this year. Not ready at all. But yeah, that's all I did. I just... Okay, I thought my whole window was gonna break right now. Anyways, so I not wearing any mascara. All I did was curl them, and I already see like my eyes look a lot brighter. What I am gonna do is apply a little bit of a blush to the apples of my cheeks, just to add a little tint, a little color onto the face. This blush is my all-time favorite. This is the NARS Super Orgasm Blush. It is so freaking gorgeous, and I already hit pan a long ass time ago. So what I'm gonna do is just take my blush brush, like swirl it in there, and just put a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Just make me look a little awake. And obviously, if you have any pimples, zits, scars, you can cover that up with concealer, of course. Whatever makes you feel comfortable. But yeah, I also really like putting blush on my nose and on my chin. I feel like it makes you look really just awake and just cute. Okay guys, so I feel like my skin is looking A1. I can't complain. It looks bright, it looks cheeky. I'm basically done with my skin. So now I'm just going to be applying my lips, and I'm not wearing a lipstick because this is again a no makeup look. I'm just gonna be wearing my chapstick, and the chapstick that I've been loving lately is the EOS chapstick. This is the one that comes in a stick form, not the egg form. And this is a pink one. But I love it so much. So much. It smells so good. So I just put that all over my lips, and then I just go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this one is in Fussy. So I just apply that over the chapstick so my lips stay so my lips stay moisturized, and then I put the lip gloss on top, and it adds a little nice flare to your look. Again, no lip liner, no lipstick, just lip gloss and chapstick. So I feel like my face looks very pink, my lips look very glossy, and my last step to my no makeup look, it's like a tongue twister saying that, is my beauty marks. So I actually have 2 beauty marks right underneath my eye, but obviously it gets covered when I put concealer on or foundation. So I like to use my L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Eyeliner to put the beauty marks back on. So that's what I'm going to do right now because I love beauty marks, and you can make fake freckles, so you can make fake beauty marks. And I don't know if you guys can see like where it is. It's right here. Can you see it? Right there is where I'm gonna put it. Okay, so I put my beauty marks back under my eye, and I also like to make a fake one right above my lip. And yeah, I just feel like it adds like a flair to your look. It makes you look mysterious, exotic. I don't know what it is, but I just really love having birthmarks all over my face. Trick is get waterproof eyeliner, because I have been using regular eyeliner for the past few years, and every time I sweat or have water on my face, people are like, your birthmark is coming off, and I'm like, oh. The last step to my no makeup look is just setting spray. The setting spray that I've been using lately is the Makeup Forever Professional Mist and Fix. So I'm just going to spray that all over my face. Oh, that's good. And basically, that's it. That's what I do when I want to rock a no makeup look. I feel like everyone has their own version of a no makeup look, and this is mine. Everyone has their own twist, and everyone has their own flair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I explained it well so you guys could see what I do when I want to rock this look. Your girl would really appreciate it if you would like the video and subscribe to my channel. I would. Yes, I would. And I hope you are staying safe during this hurricane. If you're on the East Coast, I'm in New York right now, and this freaking storm is going crazy. And I hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine, and you're happy and healthy and all of that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah.